Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's make some detox juice. So guys, for my detox juice, I have me some celery. Absolutely love celery, kale, some green apples, lime, cucumber, and ginger. So now guys, I'm just prepping my ingredients for my juice, and you have the option to either juice it or blend it. I'll be blending mine because I don't have a juicer at the moment, you know, so yeah. Now guys, I did add a cup and a half of water. Now I'm just adding my fruits and my veggies. And guys, this juice is packed with chlorophyll, aka liquid sunshine, guys, which means it strengthens your immune system. It helps control inflammation. It also increases red blood cell production, guys, and it also helps enhance your cells ability to carry oxygen also. Okay, now guys, I'll admit that I'm not the type of person who always eats my fruits and vegetables. Yeah, here I'm guilty. I really am not, but you know, with at least doing this, it helps me get the additional vitamins and minerals that my body really needs. And with all this baking that I'm doing, like, oh my goodness, my body really needs this. I've been eating so many sweets, and I need this. I really do need this, guys. Okay, so now that I'm finished with the juicing, you either have the option to, you know, strain it or not. I want to because I don't like the grainy. I just don't like the grainy feel in my mouth of the vegetable, but you guys can. It just feels too much of a smoothie rather than a juice, so that's why I actually went ahead and I strained mine. But as I said, you guys have the option of, you know, straining it or not. But anyways, this is the end of the video. This juice was amazing, guys. You guys really need to try this juice though. It was so yummy. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.